Santiago, the capital of Chile, is a city full of history, nature, and stunning views. Visitors can explore Bella Vista, a lively hilltop neighborhood, or admire the city from Santa Lucia and San Cristobal Hills. The Metropolitan Cathedral and La Moneda Palace showcase beautiful architecture, while Forestal Park and Bicentenario Park offer peaceful green spaces. For shopping, the Costanera Center is one of the largest malls in Latin America. Just outside the city, the Andes Mountains provide great hiking and skiing opportunities, with the Tres Valles ski resorts offering top winter sports experiences. In this video, we will explore the 10 best places to visit in Santiago. But before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily content. So, without further ado, let's get started. La Moneda Palace, Palacio de la Moneda, is a famous building in Santiago. It is the presidential palace and an important part of the city's history. This large, white, neoclassical building is one of Santiago's top landmarks. In front of it, a huge Chilean flag waves in the wind. Inside, visitors can find movie theaters, art galleries, and an independent bookstore. Near the palace, at the southeast corner of Plaza de la Constitución, there is a statue of Salvador Allende, a former president of Chile. With its beautiful design and cultural attractions, La Moneda Palace is a must-see place in Santiago. San Cristobal Hill is a tall, green mountain that stands high above Santiago. It rises 2,821 feet and is a major part of the city's skyline. The hill is inside Santiago Metropolitan Park, one of the most famous parks in Chile. This park is a great place to relax and enjoy nature, especially on winter days when the city is covered in smog. From the top, visitors can see breathtaking views of Santiago, home to 6.5 million people, and the stunning Andes Mountains in the distance. It is a perfect spot to enjoy fresh air and beautiful scenery. Santa Lucia Hill is a famous landmark in downtown Santiago. It stands 230 feet high and is filled with staircases and plazas. Visitors can climb more than 200 steps to reach the Tour Mirador viewpoint, which offers stunning views of the city and the Andes Mountains. Every day at noon, a ceremonial cannon is fired, adding to the hill's charm. Another great spot to explore is Pedro de Valdivia Plaza, which has colorful tiles and is perfect for relaxing and watching people pass by. With its history and beautiful views, Santa Lucia Hill is a must-visit place in Santiago. Santiago's Metropolitan Cathedral is one of the most beautiful religious buildings in South America. It has stood for centuries on the west side of Plaza de Armas, the heart of the city. This is the fifth version of the cathedral, as the original church was built here in 1561 and has been rebuilt and repaired many times. Its grand design and history make it an important landmark in Santiago. Visitors admire its stunning architecture and peaceful atmosphere, making it a must-see place for anyone exploring the city's culture and history. Forestal Park is a beautiful green space in the heart of Santiago. It is a peaceful escape from the busy city and is often called the Green Lung of Santiago. The park stretches from Central Market to Plaza Italia and has walking paths lined with tall, leafy trees. Visitors can relax, take a stroll, or enjoy nature. The park is also home to two well-known museums, Museo d'Arte Contemporáneo and the Palacio de Bellas Artes, both famous for their art collections. With its calm atmosphere and cultural sites, Forestal Park is a great place to visit. The Chilean National Library was built in 1925 and is famous for its large collection of books and stunning French neoclassical design. The library is spread across 2 floors with beautiful marble interiors and elegant sculptures. Inside, visitors can find an impressive and endless collection of books, making it a treasure trove of knowledge. The library's grand architecture and rich history also make it an important cultural site in Santiago. Whether you're a book lover or an architecture enthusiast, the Chilean National Library is a must-visit place. The San Francisco Church is thought to be the oldest building in Santiago. It was built when the city was first settled by the Spanish, with construction starting in the late 16th century. Unlike many other old buildings, parts of this church have survived many strong earthquakes over the years. Its long history and strong structure make it a special landmark in Santiago. Visitors admire its beautiful design and the sense of history it holds. As one of the city's most important historic sites, the San Francisco Church is a must-see for travelers. The Grand Tour Santiago is the tallest building in South America, standing 62 stories high in Santiago's Sanhattan district. At the top, Sky Costanera offers amazing 360-degree views of the city, the Andes, and the coast, weather permitting. Visitors can also enjoy drinks at a bar and coffee shop with a stunning view. Below, the Costanera Center is one of Latin America's largest malls, featuring top stores like Jumbo Supermarket, Falabella, and outdoor brands. Located near Tobalaba Metro Station, both the mall and Sky Costanera are open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., with ticket prices starting at 12,000 Chilean pesos for adults. Bicentenario Park is a peaceful and beautiful green space in Santiago's upscale Vitacura neighborhood along the Mapocho River. Filled with palm trees and winding paths, it's perfect for a picnic, a walk, or a bike ride. The park also hosts events like design expos, wine fairs, and craft shows, plus outdoor movies and theater performances in summer. Visitors love the views of Santiago's modern skyline and the park's clean, well-kept grounds. There are playgrounds, swan-filled ponds, and even a flamingo area. Viña del Mar, also called the Garden City, is a beautiful seaside town just an hour from Santiago. It is known for its lovely flowers and beaches, making it a great place to visit. One of its famous landmarks is the flower clock, Reloj de Flores, a large working clock made of colorful flowers. Another popular spot is Wolf Castle, a historic building by the sea with amazing views. The town is also home to the Francisco Fonk Museum, where visitors can see a real stone Moai statue from Easter Island at the entrance. With its natural beauty and interesting sights, Viña del Mar is a must-visit destination.